welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a grocery haul. So here's an overview. I'm gonna just show you this side first. With this side, I just got like stuff for the kids to like snack on throughout the day. Like we like to, like they like apple slices, and this is for Zaya's birthday. But everything is like mainly for the kids. We just got some bananas. We got some dinosaurs for his birthday. I'm gonna be making him cupcakes, and I thought this would be cute to like put on top of it. So I just got 2 of those. And then we got some turkey, Alfredo, chips for the party. This for the kids, this Rising Crust pepperoni by Sam's Choices. I guess it's a Walmart brand. We got Capri Suns for the party. They like these seasoned fries in the air fryer. We got French toast bites. They're gonna be trying that new. And then we just got some strawberry applesauce because they just like to eat those for snack. They like burritos for lunch. I got some ribeye steak shaved extra thin. I think we're gonna make like carne asada tacos or something. I got ribs because Dre likes barbecuing those. I got some ground turkey. I got some Brussels sprouts to try. We love broccoli. I got some chicken for a crock pot recipe. Some chicken thighs, boneless, skinless, and then regular thighs back there. We got some of these pinto beans. These are so good to add like with your tacos, like on Taco Tuesday. Today is Cinco de Mayo, so happy Cinco de Mayo, everybody. Some hot dogs for the party. We got these mini chocolate chip cookies. Those are good to bake. We got grapes, some bagels, some cheese for tacos, some potatoes, this andouille Cajun style smoked sausage, some bacon, and then I wanted to try these because Chrissy Marie here on YouTube recommended these for kids, so I wanted to try them in our Mickey Mouse waffle maker. So I'll tell you guys how I like those. I got this for his party. Gotta wait, son. I got some super moist chocolate because he wanted chocolate. It's been seasoned, and I'm gonna either pop this in the oven or throw this on the grill. I'm not sure yet. Have to check with Babe and see what he wants to do, but this is what it looks like. Rice that we're gonna have with our dinner, and here's just final salmon off the grill. We decided to grill it, so this is what it looks like. And we're just gonna have a side of rice with it, with either Brussels sprouts or broccoli. I'll show you everything plated in just a second. Salmon all plated.
Awesome.
So see you in the next one.
See you next one.